So what's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, recently there were many people or my friends actually told me that should I get the iPhone 5s, a phone which is now up to this point functionally useless for many people. Still there are students, or you can say new upcoming students who want to get a new smartphone. So they asked me that I want to get an iPhone, and iPhone 5s is selling in India like for 5 to 6,000 Indian rupees, which is extremely low for a smartphone or for an iPhone which is actually functioning quite well. So in today's video I'm going to be answering this question. This smartphone is really great, functioningly it's beautiful, and I would say like it is great smartphone for many people, but not for 2019 kind of perspective. Well, nowadays students actually need lot of storage and need fastest RAM and just a CPU GPU scores. They want a smartphone which definitely kicks everything. And just I want to tell that this is not at all a smartphone to go for any student, I would say, because students are only the people who really care about their processing, the smartphone's processing, and how much efficient it is. So for a student, definitely it is not at all a smartphone to go for. Again, like if you're a senior person or if you're a person who does not care about any performance or anything, well, this is definitely a smartphone for you guys. And for people who want to try iOS for the first time, this is definitely one of the devices to go for. But I would just say, most of the people buy it for its camera. As you can see, I am shooting of a lemon, and just the photo quality and everything is just nearly perfect. Or I would say I am definitely impressed by this iPhone, and many of the times even I shoot my YouTube videos on this iPhone and I'm still impressed. The photo quality and everything is near to perfect. It might not be as capable as the 2019 iPhone lineup it's going to be, or the 2018 iPhone lineup, but again it performs really great. And for this price point, I think this is the best camera smartphone you can buy. It might be very low, it is a very small camera sensor, but again I would suggest that the megapixel count doesn't matter for this scenario, but the quality overall is really great. Again, its body is very slim. It's like the iPhone SE, or you can say iPhone 5, 5s and SE are basically the same design. And I just want to tell the camera look beautiful. This like small form factor definitely makes a lot of sense. And now most of the Indian students actually care a lot about gaming, so this smartphone is definitely not as great as for a pubg or a high graphic, the need for speed most wanted, these kind of games. It's not actually going to give you the smooth performance for the major games or for big games. But again, for games like I'm playing, these are freely available on the App Store, and this is really great. I like this game a lot better because it represents, it's a pretty nice smooth blend. And I would say that the iPhone 5s definitely performs great. There is a little bit lag, I would say, but if you close your internet while you're gaming, it definitely is a lot great. But again, most of the games are now online, so I just don't think that it will give you the best performance. But at my conclusion, the core conclusion, I would say this is definitely one of the greatest smartphones. Many people say that you don't go for the iPhone 5s in 2019, but it's my opinion that if you want a smartphone or a phone for video taking or for photo taking purposes, well, iPhone SE is there. Again, Android smartphones are really more than this smartphone capable, and if you want to go for them, you can go for it. So just I wanted to tell in today's video that iPhone 5s definitely does not hold in 2019, but the photo quality and video quality are great. And if you want a smartphone for a slightly greater photography, well, this is the smartphone to go for. And at the end of today's video, I want to conclude that I'm going to be making like this small videos very soon. I'm going to be randomly making this kind of videos because it is interesting for most of you guys. So hope so you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, peace.